what we have over here is an Adata USB stick, 32 gigs, 3.2. I'm actually going to use this for having a bootable operating system, so that my computer, or my server rather, runs off of a USB stick, because it doesn't have enough space for a separate SATA drive, and I'm using the other bays for hard drives for a RAID configuration. So I'd rather just keep them for that. Part of the reason why I got this Adata is that it's metallic, so if it overheats, or rather if it gets really hot, it should dissipate the heat better than a smaller stick and a plastic stick. It feels pretty good. Not as solid as I was anticipating, but it still feels pretty good.